Hi everyone, this is Leo from Duramac. In this video, I will introduce
Dongfeng EQ6668LT6D1 diesel-powered city bus. Dongfeng, the leading truck and bus manufacturer in China. Its products are widely used in key areas such as public transportation, logistics, and tourism, with a market presence not only across the country, but also in many countries and regions around the world. Dongfeng offers abundant options for customers, including electric buses, hydrogen fuel cell buses, and fuel-powered buses. Truck products including truck chassis cab, cargo truck, semi-tractor, special purpose vehicle, off-road vehicle, etc., to meet the needs of different customers. The Dongfeng EQ6668LT6D1 bus
is powered by diesel engine and suitable for
rural passenger transport and intercity route operations. Dongfeng EQ6668LT6D1 diesel-powered bus is equipped with YCY24140-60 engine, featuring a maximum power of 103 kilowatts, along with a maximum torque of 400 Nm, displacement of 2,360 milliliter.
The emission can reach up to Europe stage.
While reducing emissions, it also ensures vehicle performance.
The overall dimensions of Dongfeng
EQ6668LT6D1 is 6,630 mm by 2,280 mm by 2,870 mm, with an interior height of 1,900 mm. The wheelbase measures 3,650 mm. The maximum speed is 100 km per hour, with 6,670 kg maximum total mass. The rated passenger capacity is 24 to 25 people. Dongfeng EQ6668LT6D1,
equipped with safety systems like ABS
and air brakes, enhancing safety and ride experience. It is come with a spacious interior, ensuring passenger comfort. EQ6668LT6D1 diesel-powered bus
adopts front and rear disc brakes,
featuring Dongfeng Dana front axle and rear axle, and is equipped with maintenance-free rear ends. The Dongfeng EQ6668LT6D1 diesel-powered bus
delivers high efficiency, safety, and comfort,
making it ideal for customers with high demands for the riding experience.
By applying GPS and GPRS
network technologies, remote monitoring, data collection, data analysis, safety early warning, fault diagnosis, and other functions of vehicles can be achieved, thereby enhancing the operational safety of vehicles. Establish an operational date monitoring system to optimize operational efficiency. As the official distributor of Dongfeng special vehicle, Duramac can provide customized services to meet the diverse demands of all customers. From Dongfeng Cummins engine to Dongfeng Dana axle, from transfer case to independent axle, from complete chassis to complete truck and bus. We are flexible with different types of cooperation based on different product ranges.
Thanks for your time with us. Welcome to contact Duramac at any time.
For more details about our company, products, and services, you are welcome to visit our homepage, www.duramac.com.